Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. At first glance, this might seem like minimalist packaging, but those are ring shank nails. This packaging is cost effective and allows you to see damage. As you can see, it is pretty sturdy despite its looks. In case you missed it, this was shipped by the Choice Machinery Group. Ritter went out of business in 2015. We had a 2014 R46 and the paint had been applied by a roller. The original Ritter was located in California. In 2016, the Choice Machinery Group purchased Ritter and moved it to Holland, Michigan, an area with a long manufacturing history. They also own Evans Machinery, Evans Midwest, and of course, Ritter. Choice Machinery Group has elevated the Ritter brand. Gone are the face-printed logo stickers where you could wipe the Ritter name off, replaced by die-cut stickers. Gone are the T-banded laminate tops whose edges bloated from moisture and laminate that wore through, replaced by phenolic that is rugged, stable, and virtually wear-resistant. Up top, you have massive 2-inch bore upper hold downs. Both the R2061 and R2063 use the same cases built out of 10 gauge steel. Likewise, the upper hold down assembly is also built out of 10 gauge, while the top and front guard are built out of 16 gauge, along with the rear access door. Here is a bird's eye view of the new style fences and tables. The fences should make it very easy to repeat pockets from left to right. All the mounts are made out of 10 gauge on the R2061. Likewise, the R2063 also uses 10 gauge construction. The main motor mounts are very different, and we will be testing one machine against the other in an upcoming video after further testing of each machine. So stay tuned.